All right, folks, Mark Lux back at you here at DLUX Motorsports. Today I'm bringing you the unveiling of the new 4-play wheel series. These wheels just came out about 3 to 4 weeks ago. It's a newer company. I was able to get my hands on a set. This specific one I'm going to show you today is a 4P80 series and a 20x10. And this wheel is so sick. I previously took most of it out of the package already, but the actual boxing and the way the wheel was set in the box, protection, 4Play did a phenomenal job. The boxing quality was probably, I'd say, easily nicer than American Force. They really did a phenomenal job just in the boxing. Wait till you check out this wheel. This thing is bad ass. This is in a 20x10 series. They make these wheels all the way up to a 22x12 as well. So, ready? Shlabam. Check that shit out right there. 20x10, 4P80. This is their Black Series wheel with a brush finish with tinted gloss clear. Just a beautiful, beautiful wheel. They did tons of small things in the wheel itself. You can see the 4Play logo that's etched in there. Even the lug itself, the lug cap, just perfect. They did a phenomenal job. The quality is superb. I couldn't find a blemish on any of the wheels, top to bottom. So just a gorgeous, gorgeous wheel. I'll have more info on these and some of their other series. You'll see some more stuff coming up on my Instagram and Facebook. But if you're in the market, you want to be different, you want to run a different wheel, these things are super sick. And you can see how much concaving there is straight across. And that's only a 10 wide. So these things in a 12 wide are going to have such a deep concave. Again, Mark Lux, DLUX Motorsports. Hit us up if you're into some 4Play.